Welcome back to Easy Cooking with Gigi. Today we're going to be making croutons. This is an easy recipe that you can use with your snacks, your salad, and your soup. Here are the ingredients: bread, salt, garlic powder, and olive oil. Now preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now take out your bread. You can use whatever brand. I'm just using the brand Nature's Own. And then cut it into lines and then make them into small squares. Now that you are done cutting up all your bread, place them on the pan. Now mix your olive oil into a bowl. A pinch of garlic powder and a pinch of salt. Now mix it all together. When you got it like that, you just want to baste it all on with your pastry brush. Once you have basted all your croutons, put it in the oven for about 6 to 10 minutes. Once your croutons are done, they will look golden brown. Now take them out and let them cool down for at least 3 minutes. Once they have cooled down, put it on a plate and enjoy with your friends.